Today I made these Japanese milk bread rolls, and let me tell you, they were the best. Adding some warm water with some active dry yeast. Mix that, set that aside, and let that bloom. In a pot, I'm adding flour, water, and milk. This is for the tangzhong. Mix it, and you're going to do this on low so it doesn't burn. And you're going to create a paste. When it looks like this, remove it from the stove and just add it to a small bowl. My yeast has activated. Now it's time to start prepping the milk bread rolls. Adding flour, sugar, salt, mix, then add milk, the yeast mixture, and the tangzhong. We're gonna add a large egg, and with the dough hook, knead this for about 5 minutes, just until it comes together. Then add in some unsalted butter at room temperature. Continue to mix for about 10 minutes. This is how your dough should look. It's going to be sticky. That's what you want to get nice and fluffy rolls. I'm just kneading it for about 3 minutes on my surface, rolling it into a ball. Grease a bowl. I'm just using some olive oil. Add your dough ball in there. Grease the top also so the saran wrap doesn't stick to it. Cover and let this rest and double its size for about an hour to an hour and a half. I stuck mine outside because in Arizona it's hot, and it literally only took about 45 minutes. I'm going to now separate these into 8 pieces. I measured these to be about 80 grams each. Roll them into a ball, and these are going to go into a baking dish. Brush on some oil so they don't stick while they're baking. These are going to rise one more time. Cover this with some saran wrap, and it should take about 40 to 45 minutes or less, just depending on the temperature. For the garlic butter, I'm just adding softened butter, minced garlic, some parsley, and some salt. Mix that and set that aside. Now the rolls have doubled their size. I'm brushing on an egg wash and bake at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes until nice and golden brown. Then right out of the oven, brush a generous amount of that garlic butter, and these are done. These are so soft, like cotton candy. I'm not kidding. So soft, fluffy, super delicious. Look how they spring back. Save this recipe. Enjoy.